Hi exhibitor, this video or this tutorial is for us to enable us to understand how do we connect to another exhibitor or an attendee, start a chat, send requests and other aspects wherein you can start your networking. Now here, as you can see, I've already logged in through my colleague's account called Anjali Sugan. She's registered as an attendee in Broadcast India. Now, once you enter, this is the homepage that you see with all the various other options and partners and the descriptions. Now, if once I want to access the exhibitor list, I can either access to the tab that is right on top or one which is under the banner. I'm going to click on the exhibitor button. Now here are all the partners and the exhibitors that are listed underneath as per the categorized things. So now here you can see all the exhibitors. So I'm just going to try and contact New Tech over here, the exhibitor that I am interested in. So there are a couple of ways to connect to New Tech. One, as you can see, there are here different meeting slot. Every meeting slot is 15 minutes in session. You can click at one of the sessions and send a virtual meeting request, and this will be enabled at the New Tech side. And once New Tech, any member from the New Tech community accepts it, he will be able to connect with to that respective attendee or an visitor who is interested in having a meeting over here. Go back. And the other way to connect to any attendee, an attendee can connect to any exhibitor, is he can see the team members over here. He can send a connection request clicking on the left hand side button and send a message at the same time. Once you send a connection request through here and you're connected, you can go to your chat field and you'll be able to connect through the chat option. Now here, as you see, Mr. Chintan Seth is already connected to me. So he sends me once we are connected, this is how your chat box looks like. We'll be able to type any text messages or make a video call through this option over here on the right hand side. So once he clicks on a join video call option, we both will be able to connect to the visitor, or attendee can connect to the visitor. Now, how does an attendee connect to an attendee? Here we go on the attendee section. Now, as you see, it gives you an option who all are online on this platform. Also, an AI-enabled option where it gives you an detailed description of who you should connect to based on your movement on the platform. Now, if you want to connect to any other attendee, you need to click on this option, same as what we did with a team member of the exhibiting company. You can write a specified message and send a connection request, or you can click on the meeting slots that are available over here down. And based on the acceptance of the attendee or exhibitor, they can start connecting. It's as simple as that. See anything? So that's about it. That's how simple it is to connect on a platform. All the networking options and all the notifications appear over here. If you have sent any connection request or any pending request, if anybody is connected, it comes in the notification in this bar. This is the notification bar which gives you an update of who is connected to whom and what all activities you have done and what are the updates. This is a chat bar wherein if you're connected to anybody and you can started connecting and all the notifications appear over here. So it's pretty much simple when you're connecting to an exhibitor or an attendee to attendee. This is the My Event option, wherein it enables you to see all your personalized schedule. If you've connected all the meetings, you've scheduled some meeting, it will come in one draft format over here. These are the meetings, the accepted and the rejected options. And here you have the slots to disable or enable. If I say do not display the empty slots, there will be no meeting slot that will be enabled on screen. And if I once I enable it, all the meeting slots will be available. This is basically your networking format who have connected to what kind of people you're connected to. These are the bookmark companies. Suppose you're interested in any of the companies and you bookmark them, they appear over here. This is the wish list in terms of your conferences, your product sessions. If you mark them important, they will appear over here. So it becomes like a one click portal for all your needs and understandings. So that's about it from this tutorial. It's pretty much simple and can be accessed in like 5 to 10 minutes. Nothing much complicated.